All right, we made it. Cool. All right, I'm going live right now because I've been doing nothing special here this morning. So we're gonna see if I start trading a little better going live here. Hey, what's up? Good morning to you. Let me hear this. Okay, so I'm gonna, you guys hear the music and stuff? Just make sure you hear that. And if you hear my voice, of course, just make sure everything's good. If you want to hear the price squawk, I can bring that in too. But I'll turn it off for now. I have it in my headphones here. Okay, so we're looking at the NASDAQ here now. The whole market here. NASDAQ's down 1.7 Russell's down just over 1%, while the S&P's down 0.2 here, moving down. Still bearish momentum overall. And I haven't been following, so I'm just going to take a look to see what's happening. So it looks like we're coming off a bit of a down move here. And it looks like somewhat of a sell climax here down to these unfair lows, and now we're bid back at this 73 here. All right. So that's where I'm at. Honestly, I decided to start live streaming because I wasn't trading well. I'm down 35 bucks on the session here. So I'm just gonna chill out and wait for a good trade. This is just a notepad, just to take some notes here during the session here. So I'm just gonna watch. Let's watch this market together. Let me know where you guys are at, if you guys are trading this at all. I'm actually going to put a better playlist on because I was listening to this earlier. Put my favorite playlist that I always play. Okay. So we had 78, market moved all the way down again to this 60. It's moving a lot down here now. It's to 63, now we're bid at 74 here. Something interesting to note here is that the NAS is trading to the lower extreme of this larger profile, I guess 3-day profile. Just watching something here. Ah, okay. Interesting. Okay. So we're seeing some good two-way trade here. Most absorption is around the 70s here. Offers down to 70. about 8-point ranges, more or less. Again, guys, you're gonna see me put in some orders here, but I often don't obey my orders. I often pull them out, so. That's how you gotta stay nimble. Market looks like it's slowing down here, coming close to 11 o'clock. Watch 70 again, second time we're testing it. 78 down to 70, that's what I'm seeing so far. Hey, good morning, Al. What's up? Can you guys hear me all right? Can you hear the music all right and everything? Yeah, I have some charts on my other screen. That's what I got. And I have a guide chart as well on top here, just a 30-minute with the session profiles. That's about it. Cool, man. Good to know. Good to hear. Good to hear. All right. Market seems to be valued at 76. Same deal. Going slowly down now, coming up. 46 bid. Oh, you guys like that, don't ya? Could have held it, but that's I need to get paid here. I've been scratching a lot this morning. Something about the stream, I don't know, it makes me more chill. That was a nice little scalperoonie. Now watch 86 again. This time it might not be the same. After that kind of big ass sweep, this time might be a... I won't speak too soon. But what that does, when you see those big sweeps, it makes the move stronger, right? Because it shakes out weak holders, guys that have their stops too close, and then it can go higher easier, but not necessarily. But that's generally what it will do. So this market's bid at 70. It was offered at 86. So that's sort of the range we're working in here. We've already traded 70 a number of times, so if it trades again here, it might get ugly. But I wouldn't sell right at 70. Honestly, man, trading breakouts has been the death of me. Like, I don't know what it is. Every time I try to sell the low or something or buy the high, I always get fucked somehow. See, like, look at that. It took it up by 2 points. Now it's bid at 70. And now it's kind of chopping, right? It will always do that. So for me personally, I avoid breakouts. I've tried to. Is it cold? No, it's actually warm. The sun is out today. I think we're about 15 degrees. It's not a jacket, it's just a hoodie, you know? It's for the style. All right, this market's trading 70 offers now, and it's chopping. Okay, 76. Well, 7 handles up from 70. Right back in. 7 handles up. Seven handles up, 7 handles down. What do you guys think? Watch 77, that's where it was. 76 offers. So like aggressive shorts would sell at 70, but you know, I'm just not about that game personally. Watch 63. 67. Watch 63. Sweep it. $70 again. Offered on a down tick. And my friend just texted me, he's like, yo, 7 to 8 point rotations today. It's true. Hey Al, yeah, I still have it in my ears. It's very important actually. It helps me hear the time it sells. So I don't just, because I'm going to explain it. I have a video that explains it a little bit, but so we swept the lows. Now watch 63 here. Nope. Fast or nothing? Too slow. Oh, nah, too slow, too slow. I have it in my ears, the price walk, man. It is important. I find it helps me a lot. Helps me hear the aggression of the tape, you know? Like we just saw some pretty aggressive buyers take this back into the range here. Okay, 74 now, more or less. I can still put it though if you want to hear the price fog a little bit. Look. Honestly, you just have to keep it on sometimes. Like I turn it on and off quite frequently. See, now I have it for you guys. Tell me if you can hear it there in the background. Is that too loud? Is that soft? You guys tell me in the comments if that's the right volume level. Al doesn't want anything to do with it. 74 up to 82. Still about 7 to 8 point rotations. That's what I'm seeing here. 74. That's like generally where you would have the order. All right, 18 people, we're good. It's a rotational market, Vlad. If you try and trade it like a momentum trader, like you're trying to buy every breakout and stuff, you're gonna get messed up like a friggin' hot dog. $74 to $81 still in play. Okay. That's everybody's problem, man. What? How did that not fill? How did... That's not fair, man. That's not fair. Did you guys see that? I feel like calling the broker right now. That is not fair. The market traded to 66 and a quarter. My order is at 67. It didn't trade. My order's on the micros though. Fuck it. Oh well, it happens. I guess the micros didn't trade there. You guys saw that shit, huh? I would have bottom ticked that shit, fuck. Not uncommon. Now 81 yet again. That's caught on stream, by the way. That's good for a video. Nah. We don't share that kind of stuff. Well, now we can watch 67 on the way. On the way back if it gets there. We have a buyer at 80. We have an 80 offer and a buyer meeting him. Generally, I try to stay away from large orders. They don't mean much for scalping. Care more about the overall flow. $75. This market's still around 74, 75 here. The buyer up to the 81 handle. Alright. I'll take it on a sweep. Watch 81 bid. 81 bid. Is it bid or not? No, it's not bid. Ouch. Ow. Ow. That's what you call impulsive. I'm gonna have to go over that one. That was a mistake. They popped it through the top of the range, and I was expecting it to hold the bid. There was no bid at all. Went straight back in. Now it might, the second time. But this market seems to be still stuck in a range. Watch 67. You do not sell it at 67. Look at that. Holds a bit like a charm. Yeah, I don't know about that, Vlad. It's possible, but I honestly don't care. I just want to scalp, and I don't really care what it does. I'll go wherever the probabilities are. 67 still in play. Find retail traders get too caught up. That's like a beginner thing. When you get too caught up in what you think the market's gonna do. Who the hell cares what it's gonna do? Just trade it for what it is. It can go down 2%, it can go down 3%, 4%. What I know is that if it does that, it's not gonna be good to trade. It'll be too fucking volatile. Right now, this is a good tradable market here, more or less. CNT moving down a little here, but we're still bid at 67. Yeah, that's a skill that takes, I think, a long time to develop, because I do believe that based on the info that's out there on the internet, people watch videos about trading and technical analysis, they all learn trading from a subjective standpoint instead of learning how to read it objectively. That's why traders are stuck looking at charts trying to predict what it's going to do. Instead, look at the tape, look at the DOM. Anyways, that's just what I've been learned how to do, and I find it helps me stay out of trouble. What are we here? 11:18. All right. Just take it nice and easy. I'm gonna go get some water. Market's still bid in this area here, 65, 67. Seller sold it at 80. It's moving up still. It was 81's bid, moving up here slowly. $86, remember? Depends what it does here. Looks like it's gonna break this. 85's offered. Depends on how fast. If I can get a fast fill here, it's good. It's 74. Still bid at 81 here. Moving up here, 86, 88. Okay, 81 to 88. This is kind of what I got trapped in earlier, but it looks like it's ready to move here. Now 90, 2, 88. Look at that perfect two-way trade right around 88 to 89. Hey, thanks, man. Thanks, AA. Just chilling out. I wasn't trading too well this morning, so I said, let me go live stream because I find I trade better live. I don't know why. Hey, what's up, Bacanito, man? Miss you, brother. Just watching the markets here. This NASDAQ has just seen a move up here. NAS is down 1.5% on the day. S&Ps are just about flat, with the Russell's down 0.7. NAS coming up an up move here. Russell as well. S&Ps looks like the strongest, like usual here. I'd love to come to Switzerland one day, man. I'm sure it's better than this nonsense we have going on here. You guys had to see that photo I shared on my Instagram. I was taking a walk over the weekend, and there's a big McDonald's on Notre Dame Street. It says, now open, with a big sign, McDonald's now open. So I took a photo of it and I wrote, gym fermé, the gym is closed, but McDonald's is wide open. What world are we living in? Whatever, just my thoughts. All right, Smarket's freaking bid at 500 now, apparently. Yo, what's happening, Mr. Axelrod? Yeah, I think we need to go to Texas, to be honest. Play with some Texans. Well, the thing is, Bacanito, there's nothing to trade here. This is how I trade. Look, I had an order down there. That's it. I wait. Call him back later. 500. Seem to be slowly moving down here now. NQ to 508.75, yeah. I don't know, we seem to be... Well, we're coming off an up move now, so let's watch the consolidation. $96. It's the most recent area here. Hey, what's up, Netherlands? $96, guys. 504, 503-ish. If our 7-point rotations are still in play here, it would be 503, that upper extension. And that's just about where it stopped. On both up moves, just about stopped there. 7-point rotations here. 97 or 96, more or less. Too slow. Watch it, 88's my area. Yeah, well, it's just a matter of getting used to knowing what, getting used to what you're looking at. $96 offers. It's kind of slow market. This is a tricky condition. $96 offers on a downtick, kind of chopping. Now that's the trap, Vlad. When it's going slowly down, that's the trap to get buyers on. Much 88, sort of my zone. It's called Endless Drift by Harris Heller. They bought it up here, 96 offers there. 96 bid, 97 offer, 96 bid. $96 offer. Let's try a suicide mission. We're not gonna get it. Trading through this like low volume area here. 89. $93 down to $86. Be comfortable selling it just above evens here, depending on how. Well, you guys know, depending on, it always depends on something, which I don't say it in the live. Okay, 93 down to 86. That's what we're looking at still. It's trading through this low volume area. 86. Offered at 93, going down. Bid at 89 on an uptick. Still offered here. Offered on a downtick. 86 yet again. Okay, 86 bid on an uptick, strong move. Well, easily move back up there. How many people we got? 22, that's cool. Slow market now, there's not much to do. So you just gotta be patient and chill out. Going live, I find it helps me to stay out of trouble. Okay, 86 bid. A positive delta here in the last 5 minutes. Again, you could sell it at 86 if you're a savage, if you're really aggressive, but I would just not want to do that. I'm just tired of selling the low of a range and getting fucked every time. But even though this time it looks like it's gonna go. Okay, see I took it out by 4 handles here. Now, it's slowly. There's a nice stop run. Testing previous range. $79 more or less. Saw that. No, actually. Oh, this is something I made with what I have going on here. It's not a standing desk, but it's my version of a standing desk, which is this thing that I put here, which is kind of like a shelf, and on top of it I have a piano bench, and it's high enough for this. And I have a stool here in case I want to sit down. Okay, we're re-entering that range now. Looks like it wants to test again down. Delta's not notably down, so that's why this looks like it could continue lower a little. Again, it is chop here. 86. Which 86 offers. 79 again. Bid it at 80. Six on a sweep. Uh-oh. Not looking good here. 6 on a sweep, but we're okay. 84. 5 offers. Still delta flat here. $82 offered. $79 bid. How many times, man? Fucking chop fest. 82 offers, so going slowly up now. 82. 83 offers now. 82 bid. I'll let it test me once. If not, I scratch it. Buyers are being a little aggressive. 86. Okay. Trying to sell it, but they're not going far. 84 bid. 86 offered. $86 offered again. Looks like we're out of here. 86 bid. Nope. Still in good here so far. 86 offer. I'm about to scratch this. Scratched it. Scratched it for about a 2-point loss. Because the way it's chopping, you can't hold that. You just can't hold that. I was looking for about 73, but that 80 bid wouldn't let up. So up we go. Okay, we're going up now. Evens to about 08s. Oh 07, 08. Okay, popped it to 08. Ish, evens to 01 is important. It's not holding evens. Just watch the way it's moving down. Trading on about an even bid here, even offer. Evens to about 8s. 8s going up quick. You could try to sell it off 8. You could try to sell it at 8s, but it's we're coming off an up move. That's why I don't do that. I always try to trade on the back of the last move, more or less. Maybe it doesn't matter, but it's since we're coming off the back of a big up move, I'd rather not look to sell. Because I know how one-sided NQ can be. So there's 08's trading bid here. Now 08's trading offer on the downtick. Okay. Still offered here. Eights, again, bid. 8 offer, 8 bid. If you want to be a savage, you can buy it right at 8, but you'd be a little crazy, to be honest. I buy it more like down here. Or like here-ish. If you can get it. Fives. Wow, pretty slow now. Fives. Sellers can't move for shit. Well, 5 now. Coming slowly down. Traded ones. Evens. Sweep it, kind of slow. That's too slow. Trading on the back of a bit of a down move now here. Oh wait, would have been a decent one. It pretty much bottom ticked that area, but again, the way it's moving is just not my style. Offer yet again. 08 maybe bid. So 08 to 98, but actually it was more like 05 at one point there. Started to trade a bit at 05. It's somewhere in the middle of this range. Yeah, I ain't gonna sit here trying to force trades, that's for sure. This is pretty boring. How many we got watching here? Same thing. Coming back in. 98 area. Broke it by 3 ticks, 3 handles, I mean. Watch me commit suicide here. Come on, scalp it. Trap him, trap him. I don't want to die. Look at that. I got to break even in. Come on. Depending on how it moves here. Okay, fast up to... Nice scalp. See how it moved up fast? The faster it comes into you... I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna say the rest. No, that was a classic move. I've seen that in slower markets over and over again. It breaks the low of the range by 2-3 points, slowly starts fading back in, holds a bid, and you bid it, and you hope it's gonna hold and it's gonna go back to the VPOC to stop out people at the high volume node. That's one setup I trade, but it has to be the right. One thing for that setup, guys. Okay, we only have 26 people. Okay, now it's a little few. That's a little too many now. But but one thing for that setup is you definitely want to see. For example, in that case, I saw the delta was minus 200 in the last 5 minutes, meaning there was sellers trapped, increasing the probability that if that bid holds, then they're gonna get stopped out at the high volume node. Whereas if delta was flat there, then the probability is not the same there for that move. look how many people are watching, because there's like 100 people watching. I would not want to share this kind of stuff. Oh wait. Okay, oh, it was 05 until about 12s. 7-point ranges still. 12 to the tick, more or less here. Yeah, this is Jigsaw and Trading View for the watch list, and Microsoft Word. Can't forget about that. Other screen, just to see a bit of context, you know. Also up here I have context. Well, there's you guys, but behind here there's context. All right, coming off an up move here, positive 300. $10, $12. Just looking here at the pivots here. 05 is a pivot up till 12. More or less, I'm thinking in 7-point ranges here. 12 up to 9, right? Is my math good? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, right to 9. Look at that. Just thinking in these ranges here so far. Slower, fast, slower, fast. No, I don't use scanners. I only trade the same market every day. Okay, this thing's staying around 17 here a little. Liquidity pool at 07 to 05. Okay, watch the delta here. We're just coming off an up move here, plus 300 on this move. Now watch the accumulation here. So far we're seeing sellers pile in on the 17 bit and it's not moving. Offers, trading close to VWAP here. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, guys. Just keep an eye on the delta here. I would bid it around 05, but we'll see. 17 more or less. But again, we're seeing sellers pile into the 17 bid and the thing can't go down, so. Oh yeah. Don't really look at those. All right. Still coming off the back of an up move here. We're seeing sellers hit the bid and the thing is trying to go down. It just can't. So this market's bid at 17 here. All right. Last two-way zone was around 10. More or less 7, give or take. This might be the end, guys, unless volatility starts to pick up again here. 15 now. 14 now. 15. $12 now, 11. This area is not bad here. 7. Where did it stop? 10? 10 and a half. Stopped at 10 and a half, now bid at 13. Going slowly up, 15 now. Right back in, 7-point ranges, guys. Still thing, same damn thing. More or less, 6.5, 7. Theoretically, you would sell it at 24. Theoretically. But in this market, it looks like you'd commit suicide selling at 24. Look at how slowly it's going up. Okay. 23. 24 did not trade. Slowly higher. Buy. 24 offers. Volume here, area here above 25. Just seeing it contextually here, the range after the dump this morning, the low of that range is about 40. So keep an eye on that. Still coming off an up move here, moving up. Trading upper extreme of the range here now, 23-ish. Likely go back to 17 here if this offer's holding. Okay. Slow market, not much to trade. Okay, so it looks like we're slowly fading our way back in. So we were at 23-ish. Or say, I'll just say 24 and make it even there, 24. Evens. Okay, give or take. Those are the last like 3 areas. Slowly fading in the back in the range. Now we're going back up here to test the upper 23. Look at delta here. Now positive. $24 offer on a downtick. Delta flat. Uptick now. 25 offers grinding higher. Delta still flat. 22 bid, 23 bid, trying. 23 offer now. Chopping around this area. Again, I think the most likely thing is that it just stops around this area and just continues to fill in the low volume area. A little bit higher, that is. But we'll see. Volatility's low, so I might just stop trading here, but I'm just watching for a little longer, maybe until about 12:30 max. Yeah, volumes are really dropping off now. We're doing less than 100 every 15 seconds. $23 offer on a downtick. Bid now. I wouldn't trade it. It's just too easy to get trapped here, right? You can buy it at 23, but then they're just going to pull the bids on you. So, but the reason the way Delta's staying flat here, that's pretty bullish. So market moving in one direction, but Delta staying flat. That means it's agreeing on price wherever direction it's going. In this case, up. Okay. 27 now, 20. 31 on deck maybe? There's 31 fast. Let's see if they like 31 now. 31, quarter. 32 now, 31. Grinding, grinding. 32 now, 33. Grinding. Low volume area. All right. How much is the average volume for that 15 seconds? I don't know. It depends. I just watch it. If it's less than 100, that's really like low volatility. There's nothing going on. You don't want to enter a trade when the volume is like low like that, because it probably means you're going to get picked off. Because if there's no volume when you get into the trade, it means it's going to come in when you're in the trade. You know what I mean? And then it's going to pick you out. You're going to get smacked. So it's just a little nuance. $31 offer. How was your first year of trading? Not profitable. I'll tell you that much. $31 now. Next pivot to watch around 38 zone, and you can see how the profile changes around there too. Just watching. Yeah, 39, that's the area. 39, 40, that's the lower extreme of that range from the morning. Okay. On another up move here, 39, 40 zone. Again, if you wanted to get paid in a long, this is a great area. I would not sell it up here still though, if I to get short. But to get out of a long, it's a good area. No, I don't like trading low float small cap. No liquidity. Well, you know, it depends what you're doing. I would not scalp it, because you can't scalp it because there's no liquidity to lean on. But if you're like position trading, if you're like doing fundamental research and stuff, then yeah, sure. I know a guy who's into that. I just don't trade them. I don't like the liquidity. You can get run over so easily. So like the advantage of futures is that, you know, if your stop trades, it trades at the price. There's no slippage. You know, you might get slippage if the spreads are wide enough or something, but it's very, very minimal. All regulated on one exchange. That's why futures are very good. But you guys already know that. All right, well, it looks like we're gonna stop here for a bit. So Nas is moving up here, seems to be leading the way on this last rotation. If you compare it to the Russell has consolidated for the last about an hour. In the last 30-minute rotation, NASDAQ has been leading actually the way up here out of the three major indices. And we're trading in this low volume area now, which is towards the top end of this large balance. I know I'm not showing you guys the profile and whatnot. Here, I'll show it to you. So there's not much to trade here anyways. All right, so where did we stop? Right around the end period from last week. That was our demand zone. We flushed right into it, held it, and now we're slowly grinding. So this is our current balance area here. As you can see, NAS is up. Now compare it to the Russell. The last 30 minutes not as strong compared to the S&P. Last 30 minutes smack in the middle. Nas is leading now on this way up here. And we're 12:15 on a Monday. I think I'm going to cut it for today, guys. I'll show you where I'm at for the session. I'm slightly down on my P&L on the day. This morning I traded without streaming, and I think that's why I lost money. Apparently I trade better when I'm streaming, because all the money I made today was when I was on stream. So I'm down a total of $28 on the day. I'm gonna just get the thing here. Okay. All right, first of all, look at all the orders. Look how many orders I canceled. Okay, for my style of trading, this is essential. I need to be seeing this many orders being canceled constantly, because that means that I'm watching the market as it approaches my price, which is one of the most important aspects of my trading method. Okay, so look at how many are canceled. So many. Now, started off the morning pretty bad. You can see here with these 3 trades, pretty much ran right through me. And I was clearly not seeing it. Maybe I was trying to force it. So I'm going to go back and watch those. I have it on recording. And then I started streaming. I believe it was here. So I started streaming and I started making money right away. So now, obviously, of course, I'm going to stream every day. I'm just kidding. And then we had one trade where we got run over. This one, I got trapped into buying it near the top. So I'm going to go look at that. A small scratch that wasn't working out. We had 28 ticks on side, and then we have a small long scalp here. So overall, we're down, you know, 20 bucks with commissions, 28 bucks. And I'm only trading 1 lots here, guys. So I'm not trading for the money. I'm trading for the consistency. That's what it's all about, okay? So guys, I'm gonna catch you tomorrow, and I'll see you later. Take care. Don't forget to smash the like button if you're around here and you haven't done that already.